Pricing custom shirts can be a little bit messy. Too many numbers, too many variables, so much to consider, and the numbers still don't add up. In my last video, I showed you the 3-level system I use to help clients select the quality of shirt that they would want. However, in this video, we're taking it a step further. I'm gonna showcase to you the actual price calculator that I use so that you are giving fair, simple, but profitable pricing to every single client consistently. Because when it comes to numbers, it better add up. Before I started using a calculator, I would account for just the blank and the vinyl. I think, okay, $5 shirt, $10.99 vinyl, $25 is what I'll charge for the shirt. I was literally pulling prices just off of what I thought was fair, but it's like, fair to who? Me or the client? A calculator forces you to see the real cost. I'm talking about materials, your time, design time, and even the little things like packaging. And when you factor all of those in, you realize you could price with logic and not guilt. As I said, my tool is not perfect, and if you have items that you wouldn't mind sharing in terms of what else I should add to this spreadsheet, write it in the comments. But I'm here to give you just a starting point, and you can build upon this as you build your own tool. All right, let's get into how mine is set up.
So I have a spreadsheet that is separated by 3 tabs. It's materials, labor and overhead, and then the calculator. Let's jump into the material tab. I separated it by category, product name, unit cost, and average shipping. The tool is set to calculate between 1 and 20 in terms of quantity of items, typically because after 20, shipping is usually free. These are my traditional pricing. However, a client might want a completely different type of shirt, and I also add that here as well. On to the labor and overhead tab. This is structured by task, time, and hourly rate. My hourly rate is about $30 an hour, and then my time is how long does it take me to do a single placement, a double placement, or a triple placement. I also want to calculate how long does it take me to package each item, and I've total placement and packaging here. To calculate my overhead, I'm looking at electricity, workspace/rent, and the softwares that I use. Overhead is typically standard unless I add additional items. The last tab is my calculator. I have all the products bought in, the total material cost. I'm able to then add the quantity, what is the labor total, so single, double, or triple design. I have my profit set at 40%, and then this calculates everything automatically for me.
All right, so let's put the calculator to test. I actually got an order recently from a client who's interested in getting hoodies and t-shirts made for their business. They selected my medium tier level in terms of quality. So let's actually plug some of what they're asking for into the system so that you can kind of see how I come up with the price.
So again, this client wanted my medium tier. So we're looking at these 2 levels. They wanted 25 t-shirts. This is a single placement design, and the total cost will be $272. In addition, they wanted 10 sweatshirts. This is a double placement, so it's front and back. The total cost there is $313. My total cost for this client so far, roughly without shipping, is $586.23.
This calculator helps me stay consistent, protects my time, and gives my clients options they understand. And if this video helped you, hit the like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye!